Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the fourth part of our video series in which we are learning country names in Korean language. In the first two parts of the series, we learned the names of different Asian countries in Korean. Then in the third part, we began learning the names of different European countries. So now in this fourth part, let's continue our journey of learning the names of few more European countries in Korean language. If you have not watched the first three parts of the series, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now, let's begin with the part 4. So here comes the first one, and that is Belarus. In Korean it is called Belarus. Belarus. Next is Malta. In Korean it is Malta. Malta. Now comes the country Russia, and it is called Russia. Russia. Okay, here comes the next country, and that is Estonia. In Korean it is Estonia. Estonia. Now let's see the next one, and that is Poland. In Korean it is called Poland. Poland. Next is the word for the country Luxembourg, and it is Luxembourg. Luxembourg. Now let's see how to say Romania, and that is Romania. Romania. Next comes the country Iceland, and in Korean it is Iceland. Iceland. Now comes the word for the country Monaco, and that is Monaco. Monaco. Next, let's see how to say Armenia in Korean, and that is Armenia. Armenia. Here comes the next one, and that is Slovakia. In Korean it is Slovakia. Slovakia. Now comes the country Serbia, and in Korean it is Serbia. Serbia. Here comes the next country, and that is Portugal, and in Korean it is Portugal. Portugal. Now let's see how to say Czech Republic in Korean, and there is a very short and sweet term for this, Czeko. Czeko. This is kind of a short form of Czech Republic in Korean. Okay, so they have just shortened the name of this country, Czeko, right? Next comes the country Lithuania, and that is Lithuania. Lithuania. Next comes the country Norway, and in Korean it is called Norway. Norway. Here comes the next one, and that is Slovenia, and in Korean it is Slovenia. Slovenia. Now let's see how to say Bulgaria in Korean, and that is Bulgaria. Bulgaria. Now let's move ahead and see the next one, that is Croatia, and in Korean it is Croatia. Croatia. Here comes the next one, and that is Ukraine. In Korean it is Ukraina. Ukraina. Now let's see how to say Hungary in Korean, and that is Hungary. Hungary. Okay, so in this video we learned the names of the remaining European countries that we left in part 3. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.